English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 15. Responses native speakers use every day. It's so hot today. How would you reply? What would a native say? I know, right? I know, right? This cake is so good. What's a more natural reply? What would people usually say? Right? Right? It's really crowded today. What would friends say? What do people actually say? Totally. Totally. I've been really busy lately. How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? I hear you. I hear you. That movie was amazing. What would you say here? What's the natural response? Same here. Same here. I'm so sleepy today. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? Me too. Me too. I haven't been exercising much lately. What's a natural reply? How would a native answer? Same here. Same here. I finally finished work. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? Nice work. Nice work. I'm having a bad day. What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? That sucks. That sucks. The view is beautiful. Here's another common reply. What would you say? It really is. It really is. Time flies. What's a short reply? How would a native respond? It sure does. It sure does. I'm exhausted today. How would you show empathy? What do people actually say? Get some rest. Get some rest. It's already Friday. How would you keep the conversation going? How would you say it? The week flew by. The week flew by. I've been obsessed with this song lately. Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? I love it too. I love it too. Let's do our best again tomorrow. What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? You bet. You bet. I know, right? I know, right? 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 Totally. Totally. I hear you. I hear you. Same here. Same here. Me too. Me too. Same here. Same here. Nice work. Nice work. That sucks. That sucks. It really is. It really is. It sure does. It sure does. Get some rest. Get some rest. The week flew by. The week flew by. I love it too. I love it too. You bet. You bet. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.